minutes and then get started. Hare Krishna, Puja Mataji, Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna, Arjun Prabhu, happy birthday. ఇన్వెస్టిలేట్ మ్యూట్ చేసేసినావు. హరే కృష్ణ హరే కృష్ణ
హరే కృష్ణ.
ఏంటి నిన్న కేక్ కట్ చేసినావా?
కట్ చేసినా.
ఓకే, మరి నాకు ఇవ్వలేదు. ఎవరెవరికి ఇచ్చినావు?
రాజబిహారీ
ప్రభుకి ఇచ్చినావా? మరి హరే కృష్ణ చేసిరా ఇంట్లో? ఓకే, వెరీ నైస్. మరి ఫోటోలు ఏమైనా తీసిరా? నాకు పంపించలేదు. ఏమి
పంపిస్తాను.
కీర్తన ఎప్పుడు చేస్తావు నువ్వు? ఇప్పుడు చేస్తావా? ఓకే సరే, చెయ్యి మరి. జయ మాధవ కుంజ బిహారీ. నీ ముఖం పూర్తి కనిపిస్తలేదు. ఇప్పుడు బాగుంది, చెప్పు. జయ రాధా మాధవ కుంజ బిహారీ
గోపీ జన వల్లభ
గోపీ జన వల్లభ
గిరివరధారి
గిరివరధారి యశోదనందన వ్రజ జన రంజన
యమున తీరా
మనచారి. హరే కృష్ణ హరే చెప్పు. హరే కృష్ణ హరే హరే కృష్ణ హరే కృష్ణ. నీ ట్యూన్ ఏదో నాకు వినబడలే, మళ్ళీ చెప్పు. జయరాధ మాధవ కృష్ణ హరే కృష్ణ మహామంత్రి చెప్పు. ఓకే,
హరే కృష్ణ మాత్రం ఉంటుంది. హరే కృష్ణ హరే కృష్ణ 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 హరే 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 రామ రామ హరే హరే.
మెల్లగా చెప్పాలి. హరే కృష్ణ 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 హరే హరే చెప్పు మెల్లగా.
హరే రామ
హరే రామ రామ
రామ రామ
రామ రామ
హరే హరే
హరే హరే. మొత్తం ఒక్కసారి చెప్పు మెల్లగా.
నాకు వినిపిస్తలే.
హరే కృష్ణ అర్జున్ ప్రభుజీకి జై. హరే కృష్ణ అర్జున్ ప్రభు. ఇప్పుడు మాతాజీ స్వాతి మాతాజీ కీర్తన చేస్తారు, విను సరేనా? ఒక మంచి పాట పాడుతున్నారు స్వాతి మాతాజీ. మాతాజీ స్వాతి మాతాజీ హరే కృష్ణ. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ జాయినింగ్.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Please go ahead.
This is for the first time I'm singing.
So thank you, Mataji. So we are all family. So without any apprehension, you can sing. So
okay.
So any Mataji would like to sing after Swati Mataji? Muskan Agarwal Mataji or Preeti Mataji? Let's go with Preeti Mataji. So Preeti Mataji, you can assist Swati Mataji. You sing Mataji, Swati Mataji. She will, Preeti Mataji will sing after you.
Okay. Chutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram Rama Nishavam Krishna Damodaram Ramanarayanam Janaki Vallabham Ramanarayanam Janaki Vallabham कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं
Mataji,
कौन कहते हैं भगवान
sorry, I'm interrupting you. So
Okay.
take little time and sing it. So no issues. So please do
Okay.
not mind that I'm interrupting you.
Okay.
Like, tell me the first line.
Achyutam Keshavam
So
Krishna
take it like this.
Damodaram.
Achyutam, just give some pause. Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram.
Damodaram.
Like that.
Okay. Okay. Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram Ramanarayanam Janaki Vallabham Achyutam Keshavam
Krishna
Krishna
Damodaram
Damodaram Ramanarayanam Janaki
Janaki
Vallabham.
Swati Mataji,
Oh.
you give the chance to the second speaker also. So you only
Okay.
do the first part. So that
Okay,
way it
okay.
will be chorus. There will be
Okay.
not any much disturbance while we are here. Please.
Okay.
So repeat
Kaun
from the
can-
beginning. Repeat
Okay.
from the beginning.
Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram Ramanarayan. Yeah, go ahead, Mother. Ramanarayanam Janaki Vallabham Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram.
Mataji, I would suggest one thing. So Swati Mataji, please do not mind. What you need to do is same seva, Swati Mataji and Preeti Mataji, you take it up tomorrow. So I want you to practice, both of you. See, that's how we learn. So take your time, listen to the video that is available in the internet. So the song, so many people have sung. And the day before yesterday, I think on Saturday or Sunday, Sridhar Prabhuji in our class also has sung. So take some time. Tomorrow, same seva is allotted to you and Preeti Mataji. Both of you practice and then give us the opportunity to hear from both of you.
Okay.
That way we are taking up the service with seriousness. At the same time, we are associating with devotees. That's very important. And I request all of you also, whenever you take any kirtan service, select your partner. So any Mataji, if you want, you can select and you can do it. Thank you, Mataji. So we will stop today for this, since anyways Arjun Prabhuji has already inaugurated today's kirtan. So tomorrow same seva will be allotted to Swati Nimburi Mataji and Preeti Mataji both. So next time onwards, if possible, when it is kirtan, you should Sandha Mataji, she will also, I'll say that, or you should also own the opportunity of who will be your second singer. Thank you, Mataji. So please forgive me if I have done any mistake in saying this way. Hare Krishna. Okay, we have the opportunity of Supriya Mataji also today. Thank you, Supriya Mataji. We were missing you a lot for the last so many days.
Thank you. Even I was missing everyone.
Thanks for joining, Mataji.
Thank you.
So the end of this particular session, I want you to listen from you some 3 to 4 minutes of Hare Krishna Kirtan. Please do.
I will do. Yeah.
Okay, Gordon Prabhu, we go ahead for today's reading.
First we will do chanting, or we will do it at last.
Yeah, we can do chanting also now. So let's.
Yes,
I wanted to play
today's chanting is.
Yes, no, Prabhuji. I think that Siddharth Doka Prabhu is not there, who is allotted. So we will play it on the video,
Yes, Prabhu.
and then we'll all do the chanting. So please get immersed in this chanting process and listen to the sound vibrations only. So that way we will enhance our spiritual enlightenment, and spiritual realization will come through chanting only. There is no other way, no other way, no other way. Thanks everyone for joining. Let me 1 second, I will share my screen. So everybody has got chanting beads. So please get your chanting beads. We'll do it on chanting beads. Hare Krishna.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya.
So those who wanted this video, so please just do this.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya. Prabhu Nityananda. Shri Advaita Radha. Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta.
So those who were not able to listen, one more time. Hare Krishna. Sorry, just give me 1 second. There's some problem.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya. Prabhu Nityananda. Shri Advaita Radha. Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare
Yeah, Govardhan Prabhu. Go ahead with
Thank you, Prabhu. Next reading is going to lead us by Sai Prabhu. Sai Prabhu not yet joined, I think. Prabhu, are you there, Prabhu?
No, I don't think he's there. Okay, so let us choose Behra Prabhu or Gyana Mataji. Gyana Mataji, can you do this? Take up the service. Behra Prabhu, we wanted to listen to your kirtan. No
Thank you, Prabhuji.
So let us know when you would do. If Gnana Mataji is willing to do the reading seva, good. If not, you will be the person. Gnana Mataji.
I will read, Prabhu.
Okay, thank you, Mataji, for accepting the service. So, you is going to share, Prabhu?
Yes, Prabhu, I am sharing.
Okay.
Can you see the screen, Mataji?
Yes, Prabhuji. The signs of self-realization. Isatopanishad, a Vedic literature, and in this small booklet, we have.
Mataji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Go ahead, Mataji, go ahead.
We have thoroughly discussed this point. As far as the Hindu religion is concerned, there are millions of Krishna temples in India, and there is not a single Hindu who does not worship Krishna. Therefore, this Krishna consciousness movement is not a concocted idea. We invite all scholars, philosophers, religionists, and members of the general public to understand this movement by critical study. And if one does so seriously, one will understand the sublime portion of this great movement. The, the chanting process is also authorized. Professor Charles' feeling of disgust in the matter of constant chanting of the holy name of Krishna is a definite proof of his lack of knowledge in this authorized movement of Krishna consciousness. Instead of turning down the request to give Carr's course credit, he and all other learned professors of the University of California at Berkeley should patiently hear about the truth of this authorized movement so much needed at present is godless society. At present in godless society. Credit for the course was later established. This is the only movement which can save the confused younger generation. I shall invite all responsible guardians of this country to understand this transcendental movement and then give us all honest facilities to spread it for everyone's benefit. Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Thank you, Mataji. Actually, we were supposed to read till okay, that's fine. We've read little more than what is there in the question answers. That's still okay. So let's go ahead with the questions, Prabhu. Let Mataji read and let us do the discussion.
Yes, Prabhu, I'll share the screen.
So while the screen is getting shared, so I just wanted to ask you, reiterate what we discussed yesterday. And one important point is about the absolute truth, are the three features of the Supreme Lord. And we gave an example. And does somebody remember what are the three features of the Supreme Lord or the God? Anybody who like to raise your hands? Those who know the answers. Three features of the God. Okay, Malti Mataji, who else? We should know these are the basics. So that is the reason. So we are also thinking how to conduct exams so that you can really prepare very nicely. So things are under process, so we will do it. So anybody else? Bapi Prabhu, what do you think? There are three features of the Supreme Lord or God. What are those features? Realization of the absolute can be done but in three levels. I could also say levels. Three features are three levels. What is that? Anil Prabhu. I'm sorry, I'll take your names because this is must that we are not coming here just please forgive me, but we need to really take this subject seriously. So that is the reason I'm taking names so that you can really become serious in this subject.
His omnipresence.
Oh, okay. One second, Usha Mataji.
Okay, Prabhuji.
I would like to call upon names that such that people will take little serious. So that is the reason. Okay. Bharati Babbar Mataji, do you have the answer?
Is it Satchitananda Anand?
Mataji, repeat that one more time.
Is it Satchitananda Anand?
Okay, Satchitananda is the characteristic of the soul. So we are talking about the characteristic of the Supreme Lord in one way. Or when you realize the absolute truth, you can do it at different levels. What are those different levels? This we discussed yesterday. And we have given one analogy also. The analogy of the sun, the sunshine, the sun globe, and the sun planet, sun god. So that also we have given. Anybody remembers? Dr. Lata Swami Mataji. So what I am only requesting you is that be prepared for whatever we are going to discuss. Please, I know you all are busy, but at the same time, you need to really take this a little more seriously and prepare, because the science of self-realization is the ABC of Bhagavad Gita in one way. It is not even Bhagavad Gita, it is ABC of Bhagavad Gita. So it's a preliminary step to understand Bhagavad Gita. So we need to really take it seriously. Okay, so those who have raised their hands, let me just check who all have raised their hands. Okay, Malti Mataji, Muskan Agarwal Mataji. Okay, Muskan Agarwal Mataji, go ahead.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yes, Mataji.
The three levels are Brahma Jyoti level, Paramatma level, and Supreme Absolute, like Supreme Personality of Godhead level.
Okay, so three levels are the features at the Brahman level, Paramatma level, and Bhagavan level. So the Brahman level realization is done by those who basically believe that Supreme Lord has not got any personal form, but they realize that there is only the Supreme Lord's effulgence, and they wanted to merge in that effulgence. That's one the concept that they had. The Paramatma is basically there in your heart, and you can also realize that. That's one thing. And the Supreme Lord, the Bhagavan, is there at in his supreme abode also. So that is the another realization that these are different levels, but at the same time, it is like when you say at your LKG level, we say that A is for apple. But from A, you can derive so many words. But if you think that A is only apple, there is a problem. You got the point? So can somebody tell me the example given for the sunshine related to this, the sun, etc.? Can somebody put it in right words? Yeah, Behra Prabhu. Raise your hand.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Example for the sun to explain this concept.
Yeah, so that sun rays are compared with the Brahma Jyoti, Brahma, and the sun planet is considered as Paramatma, and the sun god is considered as the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
Okay. So they are all one or different?
They are different features, different levels.
Very nice. Right. So basically they are all one, but still the sun globe is not basically the person, the sun god. Neither the sunshine is not the person sun, although they are one. So in one way, so now the concept of our philosophy, which comes under Achinta Beda Abheda's philosophy, I'll try to, I know this is a little abstract, at the same time too difficult sometimes to understand, but Achinta Beda Abheda philosophy is the same. So basically what it says that you are constitutionally the same as the Supreme Lord, but at the same time quantity wise we are not the same. Quality wise we are the same. So sometimes when we say me and the Supreme Lord are same, it is also true. But when it comes to quantity wise, we are different. So that way it is Achinta Beda Abeda. So there is Beda, that means that we are equal in one way, but Abeda is also there, that we are not equal in some ways. So what is that? That is what Achinta Beda Abeda. But the Shankaracharya's philosophy is that both are equal. That is also correct. Shankaracharya's philosophy is nothing wrong, but the only thing is that they only have certain knowledge which is not complete. So that is what is the problem. So let's go with the first question, Prabhuji. Mataji, Gyana Mataji, can you read the first question, please?
Yes, Prabhuji. Provide your views on the following statement made by Dr. J.F. Stahl in his letter to Srila Prabhupada. I know that devotion to Krishna is old, though definitely not as old as the Vedas, and has never been influenced by Christianity, Islam, or Judaism. I never refer to Buddhism in this connection.
Okay.
I am
That is enough, Mataji. First one we will discuss, then we'll go to the second one. Okay. So can somebody tell? I know that devotion to Krishna is old, though definitely not as old as Vedas. Does it really? Is the statement correct, or does anybody have any thoughts about this?
It's right.
Go ahead, Mataji. Anybody else would like to answer?
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Yeah, Mataji.
Vedas are very old. From the beginning, Adi, they don't have any Adi, but they are there from the beginning of the universe. Not like Buddhism and Christianism.
Okay. So, is the statement correct that devotion to Krishna is old, but he is saying that it is not as old as Vedas? That means Vedas came first, then Supreme Lord came next, or the devotion to Krishna has came next. Is there any ambiguity in this statement? I know we are discussing a little bit off track, but still I just wanted to bring some commonalities and see how we can interact more. Yeah, anybody? Go ahead, Mother.
The statement is not correct, Prabhu. Vedas and Vedas are Apaurushailas. They came from Krishna. So they cannot be as old as Krishna. We cannot say like that statement.
Wow, very nice, Mataji. Thank you so much. So that's a good revelation. Thank you so much. Anybody else would like to add anything more to this? Apaurshaha means what? Can somebody tell me, as Mataji mentioned, what is Apaurshaha means? Anybody who are available can raise
not
their
written anywhere, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhu?
It doesn't have any draft. It is not written anywhere.
No, that is called Shruti. Shruti means that, but not Apaurshaha. Sharda Mataji, go ahead.
It has been come from directly from God, not written anywhere.
Oh, yes. So, Apaurshaha, as Mataji, Sharda Mataji nicely mentioned, Dandavat Pranam Mataji, thank you. So, Apaurshaha means that it has not been written by any human being. Apaurshaha, Purusha, that word Purusha, Apaurshaha means not written by any human beings. One. So it has come from somebody who is not contaminated by material influence, because all of us are contaminated by material influence. The only one who is pure and who has from where this has come is from the Supreme Lord. So that is the point. Thank you, Mataji. So now next the same question what we have been discussing is that yeah, go ahead. Somebody has any point?
Yeah, can I add?
Go ahead. Sure.
Yes, it shows that they have a materialistic understanding of Krishna. Krishna is only the avatar they are referring to, and hence they think that Vedas are older.
Nice. So what Ramesh Prabhu is trying to say is that they are thinking that Krishna has come 5,000 years back, but Vedas are there from so many lakhs of years, or whatever is the number, but it is beyond our conception, but they are old. So that is what they are thinking. That means Krishna is just 5,000 years old. Before that, Krishna was not there. So that is what they were referring to. That is what Stahl was referring to here. But it was based on little less knowledge. But yes, he made his point. Hope that is clear. So one last thing before we conclude this particular statement. We are trying to understand what is that Mr. Stahl was trying to say. And he says that they were never been influenced by Christianity, Islam, or Judaism. I feel that that is more or less true. So we have been invaded so many times, but they tried to destroy us, our culture, etc. That is true. But again, the influence on the Vedic way has been protected just because our Guru Parampara is there. Understand this. Because of the Guru Parampara existed, our whatever is the influence that Christianity, Islam or Judaism, when they invaded India, they tried to impose their religion, which is what, and spoil our culture. But just because our Guru Parampara was maintained and we are getting this knowledge in the disciplic succession, we are able to keep it intact. So does anybody have any other opinion why we could have kept it intact? Is that aligns with your thought process also, or anybody differs there?
Sharada Mataji raised her hand, Prabhu.
Oh, okay. Sharada Mataji, go ahead, Mataji, please.
No, I didn't raise the hand. Maybe it was not.
Okay, lowered. Okay, we'll lower it to you.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Fine.
Okay. So anybody wanted to add anything?
I just would like to add my understanding. Like, for example, Tirupati is there. It is full of funds, has always been flowing, but it has stayed protected. We should understand how the saints would have managed to protect it. That's what I wanted to add.
Yeah, we don't know, Prabhu, how it got protected, but again, it is all Supreme Lord's mercy that this Guru Parampara was maintained, and finally, when it came to Srila Prabhupada, from him we are able to get this knowledge. So
my understanding is that Ramanujacharya Varu, he made a lot of efforts to shuffle the idols and all this.
Yes, Prabhu. He is part of our parampara only, right? He is also there. Ramanujacharya is also part of this parampara. He was also there. And all this, we are not denying any of their contributions. So all these are part of our, and their contribution cannot be underestimated. So they have really protected, and they have given what we are today because of them only. Yes, thank you. One last question here is that I never refer to Buddhism in this connection. When we talk about Buddhism, when we talk of Buddha, and all this Vedic knowledge or Vedic Vedas have come from whom in the written form? Anybody?
Vedavyasa.
From Vedavyasa. Now, when you take Vedavyasa, can you stop the share, Prabhu, for a little bit?
Yes, Prabhu, I'll do it.
Okay, thank you, Prabhu. So when you take Vedavyas, so when you take Vedavyas and Buddha, both were incarnation of Supreme Lord. So they were Shakti Avesh avatars, right? One is literary incarnation, and the other is he has come for a particular reason. But Shakti Avesh avatars we refer them as. Somebody was asking in the previous class, how can you deny the teachings of Buddha, and how is that you are more or less not really recognizing his contribution? So let us understand one thing. Basically what I'm trying to say is that at one point of time, Vedavyas also was depressed, and he was also not knowing how to come out of that particular unhappiness that he was having after compiling all the Vedas also. And what is the next thing that he wanted to do? He didn't have any idea, and he was in a bewildered kind of a situation. So what did he do? And when Buddha has seen certain things that in his life, like a death corp and a old man and a sick man, etc., then he was kind of bewildered. What is this? But why these people are going through this kind of a situation? So he was bewildered. And what did Buddha do? What did Vedavyas do? That made a vast difference in their perspective. And what did they really do when they were in that kind of a situation? Both were in the same situation. Both were unhappy. Though both wanted some answers to their questions. So how did they approach? Can somebody raise their hands if you have any questions if you wanted to address this, whatever I'm asking?
Preeti Mataji raised her hand.
Okay. Yeah. So Preeti Mataji, go ahead first.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, is it that Vedas started to glorify the Lord, and his pastime stories he glorified his thing rather than just narrating the Bhagavad Gita. But Buddha, what he did, he went into self-realization and
Very nice, Mataji. You made a good point. Thank
Hare
you.
Krishna Prabhuji.
Malti Mataji says both did the meditation to give absolute knowledge. Okay. Yeah. So Muksan Agarwal Mataji, then you raise your hands, please. Yeah. Thank you, Ravi Prabhu. Muskan Agarwal Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yes.
I wanted to tell that Veda Vyasa to listen to his spiritual master Narada Muni, and Buddha, he just went on his own for meditation.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Very fantastic point that Mataji. Mataji, are you reading Bhagavatam or something? Or did you?
I just started first canto.
Okay. So that is the difference. One should really go for the next step also. Don't worry. But again, you've made a very important point. I think I'm satisfied with this answer. If anybody has any other opinion, they can still go ahead. But let me elaborate on that. So what Muskan Agarwal Mataji says, Muskan Agarwal Mataji says, is that both had the same situation. They wanted to find answers. But what happened is that one took the shelter of a bona fide spiritual master, Narad Muni. He has taken the shelter. And he could really do things as per his direction. He was told that you need to compile, you need to write the Bhagavatam, which he did. And he found the salvation or his ultimate goal or happiness or spiritual realization, absolutely what he should get, he has got. And he was satisfied, more or less. Here, Buddha, what he did is that he started meditating and he depended upon himself. That is where in our life also, we should always follow a Guru and Guru Parampara. And when we do that, that is where we get our salvation. So that is the reason why we should always try to depend upon our Guru and the Guru Parampara. Okay, Prabhu, so let's share the question now for the second question. We'll go ahead. And I think we are taking a lot of time on this.
1 second, Prabhu, I'll share.
Yeah, next question, Jnana Mataji, can you read the next?
Yes, Prabhu. I'm less surprised when people who are dissatisfied with Western monasticism take to an Indian philosophy which stresses an impersonal absolute.
Okay, yeah. I know these questions are not framed or it's not a direct question. So you need to really ask yourself and probing questions whether you understood this each and every word. What is monotheism means? What is impersonal absolute means? These are some of the words. Whenever you find something, you just have to ask yourself and find out the answers. That is where Srila Prabhupada says, whenever you read, you need to read the attentively in one way, but at the same time uses another word. What was that word, Prabhu? Gordhan Prabhu, where he is using? One should read the Shastras carefully. Huh? What did he use? No.
Yes, Prabhu.
Did he say carefully one should read or something else? Okay. Because we wanted to follow what Srila Prabhupada says. Okay, anyways, anybody has any inputs on this particular question? Or do you have any doubts on this? For instance, I didn't know what is monotheism means. What is monotheism?
Monotheism means the God is only one God is there, and there's nothing like beyond that. Only God is there, and rest are all children only, kind of.
Okay. What is
ordinary?
What is
there's nothing.
Yes, Prabhu. What is polytheism means? Polytheism. It's a
You believe in multiple beliefs. It is like this, like this, like this.
Okay.
Okay. Like there are a lot of gods.
Okay.
Okay. All these gods.
Okay.
You believe
Prabhu,
in
got
all
it.
the
Make it
gods
short. Make it short.
at the same time.
Thank you, Prabhu. So the question is that what is monotheism? As in the question it was asked. If you read, there is monotheism. Monotheism means some religions believe that there is only one God. In our case also, we believe that in monotheism in one way, but the God word which we are using, in English, we do not have the right kind of words to be used. So Bhagavan is only one. That is Supreme Lord, who is the absolute truth, and is Krishna only. But there are multiple demigods. That's what we believe, and they are designated positions to take care of things in the material sphere. But they do not have the concept of a material platform or material world and spiritual world. So they are not having the right kind of a knowledge to understand. So that is where the confusion comes. So yeah, so that is where the question what it was addressed had some things to be discussed to understand what is monotheism, what is polytheism, and whatever the concept that he was talking about doesn't have the right kind of a knowledge when he is speaking. But again, it made sense. Okay, one last question we'll take and then we'll end for that last question, Prabhu.
Yes. What is the observation mentioned in this letter by Dr. J.F. Stahl to Srila Prabhupada in regards to chanting the holy name of the Lord in relation to BG? Do you agree with the statement made?
Yes. What with respect to chanting, what did he really put forward? Anybody would like to answer this? Those who have not been answering, please answer. Nobody?
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Yeah, go ahead, Mataji.
He said no need to do constant chanting to understand the subjects in Gita. But from my point of view, it's incorrect, because to understand the different view in Gita, we must have to do chanting to control our mind and purification of our heart. So chanting is must.
So what the statement that what he made is that what was that?
The Gita deals with quite different. The statement is, I never expressed, not felt disgust at the chanting of the name of Krishna. I am not only not irritated at it like some people, but I rather like it. But it is an indisputable fact that the Bhagavad Gita does not require such constant chanting. The Gita deals with quite different subject.
Right. So what he is saying is that now it is like he is referring to Bhagavad Gita and quoting Bhagavad Gita, saying that in Bhagavad Gita it is mentioned that it is nowhere mentioned that you should be doing chanting all the time, or you should be doing this many rounds, 16 rounds of chanting you should be doing. That is nowhere mentioned. That is what he is saying. Now tomorrow somebody may ask the same question to you, because you might be at later point of time, you might also be coming to a stage where you will be doing 16 rounds, or you will be doing more than that rounds. Like Haridas Thakur was doing so many lakhs of names he was taking every day. So our parampara is saying something, and now he is quoting Bhagavad Gita. Maybe true, may not be true. That is what I wanted to ask you. So did anywhere in Bhagavad Gita Krishna said that not to do chanting, or if we do chanting, how many times we can do chanting? As per yeah, anybody? Srimati Yashoda Mataji.
According to Bhagavad Gita, he says that Satatam Kirti and Toma. So we have to do chanting always.
So 24/7 you have to do chanting. That is what Krishna is saying. Satatam Kirtayanto Mam. So always remember me, don't forget me, Krishna is saying. Now, because of our condition, we cannot Satatam Kirtayanto Mam, we cannot do, or we are not in that platform. So at least 16 rounds if you do, there is a chance for our purification, and then we can think about Krishna 24/7, or at least at the end of our life, when we are leaving this material body, when we think about Krishna, we will not come to this material world and we'll come out of this Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi and reach to Goloka. That is what Krishna said. So his statement is not correct. Thank you very much, Matajis, Prabhujis, for participating. We will end for today. If you have any other questions that you have, we'll take it up. If not, we will ask Supriya Mataji to do 2 to 3 minutes chanting as what is a kirtan. Any questions anybody has?
Excuse me, Prabhuji.
Yeah, go ahead, Prabhu. You have any questions?
Actually, that letter, Stall is telling constant chanting of Gita, sir, not Lord's name. As we are doing Lord name, Lord name we are doing, but not constant chanting of Gita we are not doing. That is what he is telling.
No. He's saying that I never expressed nor felt disgust at the chanting of the name of Krishna.
Name is okay, sir. That is okay. Name chanting we are doing, but we are not constantly doing chanting of Gita. That kindly read, sir, again. That sentence is written by that Stall.
I don't see that he has expressed it that way. He was talking more for the chanting part only. So we will discuss that, Prabhu. I need to see that also. Yeah, thank you for raising that point. Okay. Any other question anybody has before we end this today's discussion? I know it was little vague discussion we did, but I do not want to monotonously just be with the question and answers. We just wanted to bring some abstraction. That's the reason why we made the questions little differently today. Maybe you couldn't really relate sometimes, but we'll try to make it more streamlined at later point. Thank you. No more questions, Govardhan Prabhu? Then we can end for today with Supriya Mataji's Kirtan.
Yes, no questions in chat box, Prabhu. Ramesh Prabhu, if you have any question, you can ask, or else we can go with Kirtan.
I have a question. There is chanting is for realization. That much I understand. But should we focus on the soul? I mean, I know we have to focus on the hearing, but link it with the soul and the God. How do we do it? Because first we need to realize that we are the soul. That's what is the thing. So how do I take the chanting to realize?
I tell you, Prabhu, based on some of the Sastric injunction and the senior Vaishnavas and Srila Prabhupada books. See, understand, please, all of you can just focus for 1 minute here. This very important point that Ramesh Prabhu has raised. Thank you very much, Prabhu. See, the chanting is basically chanting is for the mind. Okay, so when you do whatever purity, whatever impurities are, see, impurities can be, or you need to purify 3 things for sure. One is your senses need to be purified, your mind need to be purified, your intellect need to be purified. So mind purification, mantra, whatever Maha Mantra that we are taking, mind gets purified, which is what is the culprit. We have seen that in our previous Bhagavad Gita chapter 6, whether mind is a friend or an enemy. That's the basis. So mind purification is done by mantra chanting. So now coming to the senses, can somebody tell me how senses can be purified?
Through Seva, Prabhuji.
Okay. So basically, senses can be purified when you take Krishna Prasad. When you take Krishna Prasad, whatever you are cooking and it is offered to Krishna, and when you take it, your senses get purified as per Shastra. So when you take Krishna Prasad, senses can be purified. When you take the holy name, Maha Mantra, your mind gets purified. When you read Bhagavad Gita and the scriptures, your intellect gets purified. Okay, so these are the 3 main areas where purification is required. It gets purified. $1 million question is that how can I purify my ego, which is what is also going to play a vital role in my life. How can I purify my ego? Because that ego is really what is bothering me so many times unconsciously also. It is not. So how do I really take care of my ego? How can I purify my ego? Anybody can just unmute and say. Uma Devi Mataji, thank you for joining.
Prabhuji, ego satisfied by seva.
What else?
ABCD, association, books, chanting, and.
So basically, your ego can be purified by only association. Association of what? Association of the pure Vaishnavas or devotees. When you get devotee association, your ego will be crushed. Or ego, which is false ego, which is there, which is saying, when you are always saying, I am so, I am this, I am that, this ego will be taken care of in the association of the devotees. That is the only way. There is no other way. You might be taking care of your mind, intellect, and the senses, but ego is also very important. And that is the culprit in one way, biggest culprit. Beyond the mind also, this is the biggest culprit. So association is very important, and your ego can be taken care, or it can be purified only with the association of the devotees. So that is what. So thank you, Ramesh Prabhu, for asking such a wonderful question. And see, our process is very scientific. Any question you ask, it is there. I may not be able to tell, but there are very senior people in our group, in our Sampradaya, in our ISKCON itself, who can address it. So plus, but please try to raise these kind of questions. Very excellently, Ramesh Prabhu has raised this question. Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. So we will go with the Kirtan now. Supriya Mataji, 3 minutes Kirtan. And after that we will end.
Okay, Prabhuji.
And who would like to follow up? Okay, Muskan Agarwal Mataji, can you do the second Supriya Mataji? Go ahead.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare. You can sing. Yeah. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama,
Good.
Hare Hare,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna,
Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
We don't want you to stop, but time is the culprit. Thank you so much, Mataji, Supriya Mataji. So I don't know how much fortunate we are to have you here. And Matajis, whoso are interested in learning this beautiful music from Supriya Mataji, you can take her shelter. Associate yourself with her. So the numbers are there. So please take her help, because we all are learning from each other. And Supriya Mataji, if she has time, she can also help you take her association. That we can always look forward.
I'm blessed with Krishna and Krishna consciousness in my life and all of you. So I'm more than happy to help. Like in case if I have that kind of treasure with God grace, with Krishna grace, then I will.
Yes, Mataji. If any of the Matajis wanted to ask for your help, please do support her.
Yes, yes, sure. Yeah, sure. Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
So we will end for today, Govardhan Prabhu. So I would like to thank all of you for joining today. And we are not doing it in the regular way. I'm kind of little abrupt sometimes. So, but wanted to streamline things. So experimenting. So that is the reason. And so see you all. Please come for the morning japa. Japa is really what makes difference in your life. Because most of the time what happens is that we do not have determination to do things. We think that yes, I wanted to do it, but not able to, because the best way to really take care of or have determination or get determination is, I say to yourself, I will get up early in the morning, do my 15-20 minutes, whatever time I wanted to give in the group japa, I am coming, I am doing. So 1 hour, we are almost spending 1.5 hours. So 5:30 to 7 we are there. Anytime you please join. Slowly. That is where your strength is. And our movement is Sankirtan movement, chanting movement. So that is where our realization comes. So please, I request you with folded hands, please join and take the advantage. You think that this next life will be there, or I have so much time in my life that I can pursue. But no, we don't know what will happen next. And this human form of life is the rarest of the rarest. You don't know how many lives you are just spoiled, or you have human form also you may not have taken. So many lives you might have taken, an animal, as an animal, creature, bird, etc., etc. Millions of lives you have wasted. Finally, we got human form of life. Again, we don't know whether we'll get the opportunity to take the holy name. So please take this wonderful opportunity. You all are very fortunate that we have got association of Srila Prabhupada. So don't leave this wonderful opportunity. Get into this. There is no other way, no other way, no other way. With that, we will end. Thank you, Govardhan Prabhu, and all the other Vaishnavas who have joined. Please, if possible, please do join for Japa and also for tomorrow's evening program. With that, we leave. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Dandavat pranam.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhu, Dandavat pranam.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat pranam.
Vaishnavabhyo namo namah.
Srila Prabhupada ki jai.
Jai.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.